Hello and welcome to Driven Today. We are at the Bangkok Motor Expo 2020 Thailand, and firstly we have a closer look and feel of the new Isuzu MUX. First impressions are it's a stunning looking SUV and a lot easier on the eye than the previous generation. We have sleeker looks with smaller headlights that include those beautiful guided LED beams. This model is the mid-spec one and has the smoked 18-inch wheels. It'll probably be the model that is sold the most because it has a good balance between spec and value for money. This particular MUX comes with the 1.9 diesel engine, but other markets such as Australia may get the 3-litre diesel only. Looking inside, the seats and leather feel really upmarket. Isuzu has put in a lot of thought with this model. The multifunction steering wheel feels sporty yet functional, and I love the chrome accents on it. There is no digital dash, but the digital information screen between the instrument dials is sufficient enough. The entertainment system is DVD based and can come with sat-nav as an option. I think the center console is beautiful and the buttons feel really high quality. I love the gear shifter, it felt nice to touch and had leather stitching. Stay tuned for when we road test the MUX in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.